we belong to the team 46.1, and the title of our project is Zigbee based UV-IR flame detection for security purpose. Myself FPT, and these are my team members. She is IJ Divak Prasanna and she is N. Bhuvanamani. Our project describes the detection of the flame using UV-IR sensor and send the alert message to the concern so that the necessary steps will be taken by them to reduce the destruction. We have additionally included smoke and gas sensor to have prior warning about the fire occurrence. In existing system, only smoke, gas and temperature are sensed and the alert message has been sent. This leads to many false alarms, that is, it will produce the alarm and send the message even though there is no fire. This is the block diagram of our projects. Here we are having the UV photo detector, IR photo transistor, gas sensor, temperature sensor and smoke sensor. All the details will be collected by the microcontroller and the information will be transmitted to the Zigbee transceiver. Zigbee receiver will collect the information through the wireless communication and the information will be sent to the personal computer through the communication port. Then the messages will be processed, and if there is any abnormalities in the informations, then the message will be sent to the fire stations or the concerned persons so that they will take the necessary steps to reduce the destructions. Now I am going to explain about the power supply unit. For power supply unit, we are using a step-down transformer for converting 230 volt AC to the 9 volt AC supply. So the rectifier is used to convert the alternating current to the direct current. Here we are using bridge rectifier. Filter is used to convert the pulsating DC to a purer DC voltage, that is, it is used to eradicate the noise. Here we are using the capacitor for filtering. The filter DC supply is maintained at a constant level using the regulator unit. Thus we are producing 5 volt supply for the whole setup. Next I am going to explain about the UV module. For sensing ultraviolet light, we are using the light dependent resistor, that is LDR. The resistance of the LDR drops when it is illuminated by the high intensity light. As the resistance drops, it produces high voltage greater than 5 volt, which indicates that UV fire is sensed. For sensing IR radiation, we are using IR phototransistor, variable resistance and operational amplifier. Here the operational amplifier will be acting as a differential amplifier. IR phototransistor senses the flame, and in case of any mishappenings, it produces a voltage greater than 5 volt, indicating the fire is sensed. Next module is smoke or gas module. For sensing smoke and gas, we are using a smoke and gas sensor, that is a sensor and LM358 operational amplifier. Here the operational amplifier will be acting as a differential amplifier. There is a knob to adjust whether we want to sense the smoke or gas. We can adjust it to our requirement. If the voltage is within 0 volt to 3 volt, then it indicates the gas is sensed, and if the voltage is between 3 volt to 5 volt, then it indicates the smoke is sensed. Next one is the temperature module. We are using LM35 to sense the temperature. Its output voltage is linearly proportional to the Celsius temperature.
Next one is microcontroller module. For interfacing, we are using programmable intelligent computer, that is PIC16F73. The frequency of 10 Hz is given to the PIC microcontroller using crystal oscillator. 9 volt power supply is given to PIC microcontroller to the variable resistor. The output of the LDR is given to pin 3, and the output of the smoke or gas sensor module is given to the pin 4, and the output of the IR module is given to the pin 5. The 16-pin LCD module is interfaced with the microcontroller. And next one is LCD module. We are using LCD 016M002B to display the output, which is interfaced to the PIC microcontroller. It is 16x2 character display, that is, it has 16 columns and 2 rows, which works with 5 volt power supply. Next, MAX232 is an IC. It converts the signals from RS232 serial port to signals suitable for using TTL compatible digital logic circuits. It is a dual driver circuit. It converts receiver, transmitter, CTS, that is clear to send, and RTS ready to send signals. And next, GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication module. We have inserted a SIM to send a message to the concerned persons. Next one is Zigbee transceiver. We are using Zigbee transceiver for wireless communication. Zigbee transmitter collects information from the microcontroller and it transmits the information to the Zigbee receiver. The frequency of the Zigbee is 2.4 GHz. And we have used CC2500 Zigbee transceiver, which is supplied by the Texas Instruments. We have also used TI products such as LM358 and LM35 transistor.
Let me tell you about the working of the system. In the absence of the flame, smoke or gas, at the room temperature will be displayed in the LCD. There will be no information displayed in the LCD that is the gas or the IV or IR sensor are being sensed. So in case if you're taking about the UV fire to be sensed, in the presence of ordinary sunlight even the UV radiations can be very easily displayed. So hence we are going to implement an IR sensor in order to rectify this defect. So let me first tell you about the IR model. The lighted matchstick is being placed near the IR sensor. In the presence of the fire is being indicated by a command. In the IR fire is being sensed in the LCD display, and correspondingly the message is being sent to the appropriate person. The software which is being used to formulate it is known as a